Hello guys, in this video we're going to talk about why does your Shopify website say it's not secure. There's a few things that can happen and why this happens. So here we're going to show you right here. So here we're in shopify.com already, and the first thing that we want to discuss is about domains. So you want to go to your settings and domains, and your website is not secure because your such domain is you're using your Shopify primarily as this. So you have the free Shopify domain, and if you want, you can get a more secure domain or website actually by buying one, or if you already have one, you just have to connect one. So all you have to do is buy a domain right here. So they just search up, for example, you're selling dinosaurs, something like this, and then you have to search one and look for one right here. And it's actually gonna let you search through the list of domains that are available that you can buy. So it's gonna vary from cost, of course, like here. So you have dinosaurs.com.ht, .gy, .ec, .co. So this .co seems pretty good for a deal. It's $16 per year. This is annual fee, of course. So if that doesn't work, there's going to be things right here. We're in the Shopify Help Center, and you can actually ask the assistant right here why your Shopify is not actually secure. So it's actually going to be personalized to your store. You can select your different stores if you have different stores. You can select like multiple stores right here for personalization of the questions that you can ask with the Shopify Help Center. So you can ask right here why it's not secure, but basically I'll show you why right here. So it's acquiring your TLS certificate, like I've said, your domain, and next that verifying your assets that are secure. So the HTTPS right here, it's supposed to be considered to be an insecure type of option. So when your host asset on a server that publishes over HTTPS, you can learn about that, but you have to upload files to your Shopify admin that it is really secure so that it will actually go through. So next is the certification authority authorization records. So you can check it out right here with this websites right here why you don't need one for your store. However, some actually need that following certificates, and if you don't have one, you must get one from here, as you can see. So you can pause the video and actually type it in your own browser. So there you go. So the others are the SSL pending. We have a different video for that. You can go check that out, of course. And here, the SSL pending, you will have to actually verify that your record is this, as you can see right here. And your CNAME record is going to be your shops.myshopify.com. So again, you can ask your Shopify personalization center right here in the virtual assistant right here why it's not secure. But basically, the domains will surely just help that actually get rid of that in the first step already. But if it doesn't, you can refer to this again. So there you go, guys. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.